since we live in the home of Harley Davidson, like growing up as a kid,
Yeah.
Harley Davidson was just part of like the lexicon of our life.
Right.
I mean, it
Yeah.
was like everybody.
Yeah.
My aunt's very dear friend Hilda had a Harley Davidson, and they were roommates. Do you know what I mean? So they were. My aunt Agnes, who never got married because she couldn't find the right guy. My mom would always say, "It's like." Okay.
Bless her.
Right. She had a Harley, but most, a lot of people in the neighborhood had Harleys because
yeah.
it was so part of what.
Yeah.
So to come and realize that the country loves what's made in my hometown
Right.
is really,
And that was, I mean,
sense of
also with
pride.
like Indian motorcycles, you're talking about this is American history.
Mm-hmm.
And motorcycles are such a big part of that. And I think that's where, the excitement and the nostalgia of it is. So, yeah.